string should contain at least one A followed by at least one B followed by at least one C. So first derive language. So at least one A followed by B followed by C. This is minimum string. And other combinations can be, you can have any number of A's BC, or else you can have A, BB, C and so on. Okay, you can have any number of A's, B's and C's, but the order should be like this only. Okay, A followed by B followed by C, and your string should contain at least one occurrence of either A, B and C. So regular expression for this can be written as A plus, B plus and C plus. So what is this? This is called as positive closure. So positive closure means, so here your language should not contain epsilon. Other than epsilon, everything which is included in this. So everything which is included in A star are included in A plus, other than epsilon. See, suppose if the given question is like this, instead of at least one A, this condition, any number of A's followed by any number of B's followed by any number of C's. So there in that case, you will write it as A star, B star, C star. There is no limit. Okay, any number of A's, it can be that 0 A's also. But here string should contain at least one A. So your string should not contain epsilon. So for that we use positive closure instead of using clean closure. So positive closure is nothing but, so A plus, it can be written as A star minus epsilon, right? So in epsilon language contains, sorry, in A star language contains epsilon also, whereas in A plus will exclude that epsilon. So this is the result for first question. Second question, string starting and ending with different symbol. So starting and ending with different symbol. How can we write this? Over, take it as A comma B. So starting with A, ending should be with different string. So you can have AB and starting with AA, B ending with different symbol. Even it can start with B also and end with different symbol and so on. So starting ending should be different. So regular expression for this is here starting should be A, ending is B in the first case. In between you can have any number of A's and B's. And other possibility is starting with B, ending with A. In between you can have any number of A's and B's. So we need to consider both the combinations. And this is the regular expression for second one. Coming to the third one, second character from right hand is 1. So we'll see that. Second character from right hand. Say suppose these are the characters in your string, and here second character should be this place from right hand. So this place should be filled with 1, and remaining places you can have any number of zeros and ones, because this is also defined over language or over sigma equal to A comma 0 comma 1. So this can be written as 0 plus 1 whole star. You can have any number of zeros and ones before this 1 and 0 plus 1 whole star. So if the same thing is given as third character from right hand is 1, then how to consider that? Take 4 letters or 4 characters. Third character from right hand, that is 1, 2, 3. Third character from right hand should be 1. And before this you can have any number of zeros and ones. Clear? So this is for character. In this way you can write regular expression for any question based on the given question. And fourth one is strings with 3 consecutive B's. So strings with 3 consecutive B's means, so language should contain at least 3 zeros and all zeros should occur together consecutively. Sorry, this is B's, right? All B's should occur together. That is minimum string. And before you can have A followed by 3 consecutive B's, or 3 B's followed by A, or A 3 B's followed by A, and so on. In every string, these 3 B's should occur together. That's the concept here. So language, we derived language. Now write regular expression. So it should be BBB. Minimum BBB, and before this you can have any number of A's and B's. After this any number of A's and B's, which can be written as A plus B whole star, A plus B whole star. This is 3 consecutive B's.